Hello, welcome to Some Dude's Kitchen. I'm just some dude. This is Sawa, and she is very excited about this recipe because we're doing meatballs, but we're doing beef. All right, so you're gonna need some beef. This is about a pound. And then my partner has food sensitivity to a lot of spices and vegetables. So his are going to have very minimal items. So what you're gonna need is breadcrumbs. I recommend panko. I think it works the best. Or crush up French fried onions, that works too. And then for binder, we got an egg. And then for spices for him, I'm doing pepper, celery flakes, Italian, and salt. If I had parsley or anything, I'd put it in here too. So let's just throw everything into this bowl. There we go. And then you'll want to make sure you wash your hands and then mix it up. Hands work best. All right, and then here is everything all mixed up. My partner is going to making this into balls himself since I still have to do mine and mine are pretty complicated. So, yeah, as it once they're balled up and cook, I'll grab a quick photo. Right, here are the meatballs.